ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your RJ Sandhya and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation implemented by Nightingale's Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elderline toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 am to 8 pm for any questions, queries and support to elderly. We have many best airlines in India. For example, Air India, Indigo, SpiceJet, Air India Express, etc. I am sure most of you would have used at least one of these airlines to fly to different parts of India or other countries. But have you ever heard about Dabba Airlines Travels? Yes, Dabba Airline Travels. Our members by name Mr. Anupaya, Miss Sumitra and Miss Vatsala have used the Dabba Airlines. Let us listen to them to know how was the trip. Over to you guys.
Hi, Sumitra ji. Surprised to find you at International Airport morning, going on world tour, bunking, activating classes.
Oh, what a surprise, sir. After so many years, I'm seeing you. How are you? Huh? What did you say? World tour, is it? During this period? Are you joking?
Yeah. World tour.
For Omicron to tour around the world. I am visiting my sister who is in Mangalore, sir.
Oh, by flight. Which flight?
That's Dabba Airlines, sir.
Oh, I see.
And also, do you know this is the first time I'm traveling by air? I'm really scared. Where are you heading to?
Me? What a coincidence, Sumitra ji. I am also going to Mangalore. You know Udupi Paryaya? I visit Paryaya every year. Normally I used to go by bus or train. This time I am venturing on a air trip. First time that too. Same Dabba Airlines.
Even me.
Yeah.
So shall we go in?
Yes. Start. Where is the gate?
Let us search for it.
Yeah, where is the gate? I don't find.
There's a board saying it's departure.
Departure means what? Departure. Departure means those who go up, leaving the body behind. Is it?
No. We have not come here for that purpose, sir.
I see.
This must be the entry point.
Oh, I see. Okay, then you go inside. My luggage is behind. I will collect a trolley and put the luggage and join you in a short while.
Okay, I'll wait for you. Sir, why that security guard was holding you so long? Why did it take so much time?
Ma'am, he asked for ID. I gave my voter's ID. He could not make out anything on seeing the photo of my voter's ID. It's a 40 years old photo, you see. Poor fellow finally asked me only, sir, are you the same person?
You should have brought a new ID, sir. Not the old photo.
It worked everywhere. Is it your ticket? He asked me. I said, no, I am the proxy person. I am traveling on behalf of Amitabh Bachchan. Then only he let me
Okay, let's get in. Arey, sir, I don't see any planes at all here. I thought just like our bus stand, all the aeroplanes will be parked in a line and we have to get into the right plane. And then the conductor, somebody will check our tickets and be done with it. I don't see any plane at all.
Yeah,
Any
I also,
Oh,
yeah, nothing is in. I don't see any aircraft standing nearby. What to do? There is a counter when written the Dubai Airlines. I will go and check there.
yeah, please, sir, please. You can leave your luggage here. I'll take care of it.
Okay, I'll be back in just a moment. Sumitra ji, I went there. I think we are in for a big trouble. First of all, the flight is delayed by 90 minutes. I'm told that we have to put our luggage first into the X-ray machine, get it screened and get it weighed. Thereafter, come back again to the counter and check in with the bag and baggage, collect the boarding pass. Thereafter, wait for the announcements to take place. When the announcement is there, we have to undergo, it appears, a security check where we will all be searched thoroughly and then only we can enter, we will be permitted to enter the aircraft, it appears, Supraji.
Oh, Bapre, it seems so complicated. And with all these procedures, we are taking almost the same time as road journey. Why this security check, sir? Are we carrying any bomb?
Bomb can we carry in the straight away like this? Bomb fellow will not come like this.
I
Anyway,
don't know.
ma'am, I went to very strange people. The fellow who did the security check made me to stand on a platform. I have to stand like a scarecrow, both hands stretched to the side. Thereafter, he started pressing me all over my body, top and bottom. He did not spare the center also. I thought as if he is doing a medical checkup.
Yes, sir. These airlines people, they have weird rules. See, they restrict our baggages for 20 kgs and 7 kg of carrying luggage. But look at those Gujarati ladies who are weighing minimum 120 kgs. Is there no restriction for their weight and place they occupy?
Sumo wrestlers, no. Sumo wrestlers, you see, man. Sumo wrestlers, they are freely allowed. That is, are you comfortable? Are you comfortable in the aircraft? Seated properly?
Yes, sir. I got.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is VAT 69, your chief flight attendant, and Free Devi, my colleague at the other end. On behalf of Captain Parkinson and the entire crew, I welcome you on board IC 420 Dabba Airlines, a non-stop service to Mangalore. As per our airline policy, for your safety, we don't fly during Rahu Kala. So the 90-minute delay is perfectly justified.
Very good policy. I agree with this. At least this one thing I appreciate.
I also like those girls, Sumitra ji. They're very pretty. They are dressed like a Rakhi Sawant in Bollywood movie. That Free Devi you see standing behind. She's also
what?
very pretty.
This
Very
age,
pretty. Hey, you are kidding, Sumitra ji.
you are still the same.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. When the seat belt sign illuminates, you must fasten your seat belt. To fasten the seat belt, you do like this. To release the seat belt, you do like that. we suggest you keep your seat belt fastened throughout the flight for your and our safety. We often find that some of you deliberately loitering around and giving dicky to us in a most inappropriate way.
Hello, hi, air hostess ji. I don't have a seat belt in my seat.
Please don't shout, sir. If you want us to assist you in any way, please press the button above your head. Please see carefully. You are sitting on your seat belt. Ladies and gentlemen, there are 4 emergency exits in this aircraft, 2 in front and 2 over the wings. If we need to evacuate the people in emergency, floor lights will guide you towards the exits. Doors can be opened by moving the handles in the direction of the arrow. I will check later if the doors, which had been jammed shut due to a malfunction, have been repaired or not.
Baapre. Annapaya sir, why is she showing all 4 exits?
Or emergency.
Emergency, is it? So should we jump out of these exits in case of evacuation? Oh, so scary.
Yeah. Don't know, madam. I am so getting panicky. What more dangers are awaiting us? God knows.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a low-cost carrier, and in case of evacuation, no provision has been made for passengers. The parachutes are only for captain and cabin crew. Others have to use umbrellas if you have got any. If you don't have umbrellas, you buy it from us. ₹1,000 per umbrella.
Ayyo, if I had known all this, I would have brought an oximeter and also a small oxygen cylinder with me, along with an umbrella.
Yeah, right. She's telling something.
Ladies and gentlemen, oxygen and air pressure are always monitored. In the event of decompression, oxygen mask will automatically fall on your head from top. Pull the mask towards you with full force. Place it above your over your mouth. Inhale slowly through nose and exhale through mouth with mouth open full. There is no guarantee that oxygen will flow. If you wish to get oxygen flow activated, hold 100 rupees note in your hand and press the button. Free Devi will take care of the rest.
Yeah, I could have brought an oxygen cylinder along with us.
Yeah, you should have. I think you should have. I too could have carried one.
Yeah, and also umbrella.
Umbrella will share. We'll share with your umbrella. You bring one umbrella, we'll share.
We never thought that this is the condition.
Ladies and gentlemen, I invite your attention. Please observe carefully. The life jacket I am showing is kept in a pouch under your seat.
Right, Sumitra ji, what she is showing? She is showing a toilet seat cover. Is that the life jacket? So dirty and stinking.
Yeah, even the shape is similar to a toilet seat cover.
Ladies and gentlemen, in case of a traffic jam in the runway of Mangalore Airport, which is very common, or if the aircraft has run out of fuel, as it happened on many occasions in the past, your captain, Mr. Parkinson, may crash land in the Arabian Sea. In such an eventuality, slip the life jacket on your head, pass the strap around your waist, and inflate it in whatever way you can. We do not guarantee it will inflate because of punctures in it. If it does not inflate, those of you who know swimming can reach the shore. Others can wait in the aircraft till the coast guards arrive to rescue you. please do not worry about us. We would have abandoned the plane to get into a lifeboat. If you also intend to get into the lifeboat, you can wave all the 2000 rupees and 500 rupee notes you have above your head. Free Devi will take care of you.
Ayyo. Whenever she comes on air, she scares us. I'm very upset, sir. I feel like entering a slaughterhouse to be butchered.
Let's see, wait, let us see what happens further.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is strictly prohibited in the entire aircraft, including restrooms. However, if anybody is keen on smoking, they can go outside through emergency exits, sit on the wing of the plane and smoke. But we do not guarantee their smooth landing.
Wow, Sumitra ji, I think I made a blunder. I should have written my last will and told my children where I had kept that last will.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, you will find all safety instructions in the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest to you to read it carefully before takeoff.
Sumitra madam, it's better because I couldn't follow whatever she has told about the seat belt and the other. Better I read it completely. Where is the card? I got it. Here it is in the seat pocket. See, Sumitra ji, along with the card, these people have also kept a wet cloth, perhaps for the convenience of our wiping the face, I suppose.
Chi, sir, don't open it. It's a used diaper, sir. Being a low-cost airlines, after the last trip, they have not cleaned it. Don't touch it, sir.
Hey, oh,
Ladies and gentlemen, we are taking off shortly. Make sure that your seat belts are fastened and tray tables are in their full upright position. Mobile phones have to be switched off or set on airplane mode. Your kind attention, please. This is a low-cost carrier. As this is a short duration flight, as a matter of policy, we do not provide toilet facility. To save money on cleaning, we request you to hold till we land at Mangalore Airport.
what?
Ladies and gentlemen, you can loosen your seat belt since the seat belt sign is off. We appeal to you not to press the button often to seek our assistance. We wish to inform you that all the lady crew are married with children. If there is anything at all we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, tell us after we land at Mangalore. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now crossing a zone of turbulence. Please return to your seats, fasten your seat belts, and maintain upright position.
Upright position? Why, sir? I thought air travel will be comfortable and but here she's asking us to sit in upright position. It's not better than our auto trip.
Sit
Yeah,
like
in
a.
Rajasthan bus we could recline and sleep off.
Here we have
to sit in a upright position.
Upright means you have to sit like a flag post. Straight.
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while, we will be landing at Mangalore Airport. Please make sure one last time your seat belts are securely fastened, seat backs and trays are in upright position. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mangalore Airport. Local time is 2:30 p.m. and outside temperature is 42 degrees Celsius with scorching heat. Sorry, we kept you starving, depriving you of your lunch. Please be seated till the seat belt sign is off. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Dabba Airlines and the entire crew, I thank you for joining this trip and look forward to see you on board again in the near future. Enjoy your stay in Mangalore. Good day.
Let's go, sir. Get up. Sir, what happened, sir? Why you are not getting up? Why are you holding your breath?
So,
What happened, sir?
not only the breath, I am holding many more things below my waist and abdomen. I can't get up.
Thank God we have reached Mangalore.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving me company. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay at Bangalore, Sumitra.
Nice meeting you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Anapaya, Mrs. Sumitra, and Mrs. Vatsala. That was fun listening to you. Once again, thanks to everyone. Listeners, I hope you all enjoyed the Dabba Airlines experience. Stay tuned to Hariyaravani for more such programs. Please remember, Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. So bye bye now. Take care.